Every time I get a new package, I feel like it's Christmas.
Hey YouTube, okay, we're getting into another video. This is going to be the unboxing and comparison of my new InstaPot. It is the Duo Plus multi-cooker to my InstaPot rice cooker. So I got this about, I don't even know, maybe like 6-7 years ago, and it's perfectly fine. It's nothing wrong with it whatsoever. The thing is, I'm in my era to where when I cook and basically meal prep for the week, I need multiple pressure cookers, which is why I went and got this baby. This does not pressure cook. This is not an InstaPot. This is not considered an InstaPot. The Insta brand likes to consider it a rice and grain cooker, basically. So we have the white rice, the brown rice, the steamed oatmeal. And this right here, I cannot pronounce to save my life. So if you could pronounce it, shout outs to you. But I cannot, and I'm not about to embarrass myself in this video. Then you have the delay start, keep warm. And lately what I've been doing when I make mashed potatoes is I just been steaming it, which takes twice as long as if I was to just pressure cook it. And then it's other things that I just be like, yo, like I have a pressure cooker, but it's the 8-quart pressure cooker, which is like the really big boy. And my countertop where it's at is lower than this one right here. So it's like a pain to have to keep opening and closing. It's annoying. Long story short, okay, is I got the 3-quart pressure cooker. This is the baby of the pressure cooker family. This is the smallest that I know of that you can get. So we're going to unbox this baby. We're going to do a size comparison to this versus this. And yeah, let's open it and see. So this is not your regular ooh ah type of unboxing video. If you don't know, hi guys, I'm Stacey P. I review products, places, things, you name it. I'm all into house hacks that can make your life and my life easier. My life first, and then I share it with you. And yeah, so this is like my 3rd pressure cooker I done bought. The first one broke, and it was from InstaPot. That's so funny. I had the 8-quart, and that's a different story for a different time. I have videos on my channel about it also, but yeah. So it's not like, oh my God, I got a pressure cooker. Like, pressure cookers are my life. So if you don't have one, I'm gonna tell you right now, you need one. And I still like the brand Insta, which is why like I bought it. And it was on sale. It was on sale, I think, for $79 or $89, and the original price was like $110. So, you know, it's gonna come with your little booklet, your manual. This is how it looks inside, like that. So it's definitely, they do know how to wrap their products, that I will definitely say, to be nice and secure for when FedEx or UPS or whatever shipping services they may use, bang it up. I was looking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this big goofy box out of here. And this is how the box looks at the bottom. Ah, yeah, the thingy. That was it. Nothing crazy. But this is what you came for this right here. Okay. So they always look so beautiful, brand new. Always look so beautiful, brand new. I'm going to tell you now, it's not going to stay like this. Eventually, it's going to look like this. Okay? Got the little, listen, I done scrubbed this thing down and some things just won't come out. And it is what it is. It's okay. The meals was made. That's the most important part. So as you can see, this is currently plugged in. That's why it says off. This is not plugged in. That's why it don't says off. If you're new to the InstaPot brand of their products that they give, normally it always is going to say off when it's off, and when it's on, it's going to have like whatever timer or whatever you put on it it's never blink unless it's unplugged. So if it's blink, that means it's unplugged or it's not receiving power. I would say like the size compared to this, it's a big difference. I'm not gonna lie. This is definitely like, this is littler than this. And let's see, how do you open this? Okay, you just turn it. Okay. So the thing is, when I open up this, it's attached. So this actually fully, the top of this actually fully comes out. Oh, that's nice. It comes with this. This is a layer of protection. More warnings, because pressure cookers are, it can be a lot. So please know what you're doing, because if you don't know what you're doing, things could get hurt and God forbid fires. So yeah. Oh, they give you a little rack. That's so cute. This is too cute. Yeah, this is too cute. And then it has another paper in here. Warning, never use this InstaPot without a stainless steel. And yeah, that's very important too. Stick with the stainless steel. So like that and that. So in case you don't want it to touch the floor, you have this little rack, which is cute. I like it. And then the top here. And so it's like a certain placement you're gonna feel when it goes fully in, and then you turn it and it locks. So yeah. Then this piece too gotta come out. This is basically just, this is where the steam is going to release. So please be careful with that when the steam releases. See, with this is the opposite. The steam just comes out of here, but we're not pressure cooking, so it's a different ball game. I'm gonna plug this in, and I'm actually not gonna use it today. You see, as soon as I plugged it in, boom, now it's saying off. Same way how this says off. And yeah. So we have the pressure cook, soup broth, cake, egg, slow cook, saute, rice, beans, porridge or oatmeal, yogurt, and soy void. I cannot pronounce that to save my life, but I had looked it up when I first started getting into pressure cooking. And it's some like real intense cooking. I'm not gonna lie. That right there, that's the pro option right there. And then you have the pressure cook temperature, which is right here. And there are 2 different types of 3-quart pressure cookers. This one just got more options than the other one. And they're like, it's like a $10 or $20 difference. And I'm just the type of person, like, I might as well max it out, you know. Will I use the other options? Probably. Depends on what I'm making. You know, I know I'm going to use the pressure cook. That's the main reason why I bought it. I know I'm going to use the rice, because that's going to replace this right here. The only thing that I really don't like is that it doesn't specify like white rice, brown rice. But whatever, rice is rice. And yeah, I don't know about the egg option. I might use the slow cook option, because this will make a nice little pot of soup. And like for when I don't want to create like a lot of like big meals, I can always just use this right here, and it's just convenient, you know. And you could take the top off. I have the Ninja 8-quart, so my top does not come off. I have to literally, it opens like this, so that gets annoying. This, you could take the top off, throw it in there, put the top back on, so it's more convenient. You just have to know what works for you and what will benefit you in your kitchen with your cooking and the things that you cook on a day-to-day or weekly basis. This is definitely going to benefit me, so I'm more than happy with the purchase. And that's why I'm not like, oh my God, it's so cute though. It's so cute and little. That I love. I knew it was going to be a little bit bigger than this, so it's actually smaller than what I thought it was going to be. So I'm happy with that. If you guys want videos of me like making stuff and like showing you, like, I guess you could say like how many chicken wings will fit in here, comment below and let me know. Because listen, I'm here to cater to you people, to make your life easier before you buy these things. I'd rather be the test dummy and let you know whether you should buy it or not, versus you wasting your money buying it and then you have to return it, or you think that you want it and then when a certain time passed, your return window passed, you realize you don't want it. So listen, you let me know and I'm gonna let you know, because I'm gonna put you on. And yeah, guys, that's really it for the unboxing of this video. I'm happy with my purchase so far. Definitely gonna get to using it probably tomorrow, because that's when I'm gonna be doing my meal prepping. And yeah, so if you guys are not subscribed, please subscribe for more videos like this, because this is just basically what I do. And if you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Let's cheerio to another video. Every time I get a new package, I feel like it's Christmas.